Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is something we use for shaving. Correct. Number two, is it? This is the opposite of hard. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will use an electric razor. I will use an electric razor. Electric razor. A thing people use for shaving, powered by electricity. Now we can make a flashcard for electric razor. Please make a card like this. Electric razor, two words. Down here, BATH 1. This means bathroom, level 1. And over here the number 7 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Trick, razor, electric razor. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. My bed is very soft. My bed is very soft. Soft. This means the bed is not hard. You do not feel any pain when you touch it. Now we can make a flashcard for soft. Please make a card like this. The basic form, be soft. We use it for beds, carpets. Down here, A1 means adjective, level 1. And over here the number 69 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Soft. Game over. You did very well today. What does Bob use every day when he shaves? Electric razor. Very good. And the bed is soft. It is not hard. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Rest. The noun has two meanings. Do you know? I need some rest. I'm tired. Yeah, but we also say you can eat the rest of the pizza. Number 2, are you serious? Correct. Number 3, to do something. Firstly, yeah, we don't say this very much, but we say it sometimes. Today is Saturday, September 6th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.